Kids, I'm just high where they hating on me. People tend to think all the drinks on me. I don't even have the money to spend to buy Patron for you and all your friends. Baby, I be on my grind, rain, sleet, snow, rolling up good every place we go. Cause we try and get high, get high. Know the bullshit and all the problems, but we too gone to see a little bit of this and a little bit of that. We proceed to give them what they need. Just waking up, they getting stoned. Rub my eyes and check my phone. Open up the fridge to make some waffles, but no more sip left in my bottle. Damn, well it's okay, I'll top it off with scrambled eggs. Hey, gotta work what you got. Hey, gotta work what you got. Supposed to be in class, but I ain't going. Let's chill on the couch. See what's on the telly, girl. We won't leave the house. Can you stay a while? Can you stay a while? Cause girl, I'm feeling lazy and I'm trying to hang around. Ain't trying to get out of my bed till noon. Neighbors smell the perfume, smoke in my room, and I got the door closed. Can't be sure though. Amsterdam weed, spending euros. Get the euro, let's relax. Take your shoes off and kick it back. We escape the world, escape the stress, but I don't give a fuck if the house a mess. Cause we gon' handle that later. We gon' handle that later. Right now let's get this paper and smile for all them haters. Ayy, cream cheese in a bagel, have a glass of milk and an Eggo. I'm rocking PJs and no shirt. I smoke weed, eat yogurt. Enjoy the best things in your life, cause you ain't gonna get to live it twice. They say you waste time asleep, but I'm just trying to dream. Supposed to be in class, but I ain't going. Let's chill on the couch. See what's on the telly, girl. We won't leave the house. Can you stay a while? Can you stay a while? Cause girl, I'm feeling lazy and I'm trying to hang around. Haha. Don't mind if I do. Hey, it seems like every day I got a filled up phone. Ladies trying to text me saying that they home for the summer and they heard that I'm living on my own. So they wanna come to the crib, maybe cook me some supper, but I'm busy, so I'm ignoring her. Yeah, I just touched down in California. Now I'm headed to the beach, going swim in the water like I'm trying to sneak in across the border. I do all different types of crazy shit. I'm the youngin' host trying to make a baby with, cause it'll make them rich. No, I'm headed to the money, so these funny little girls wanna take the trip. But no, only the MOST dope with me. Other fools homo, Roy and Siegfried. No disrespect though, I got addictive cigarette flow full of green pesto, presto. Aha! This is what I was talking about when I said kids was gonna be some life-changing shit. Bitches. But shout out Pittsburgh, man. Most dope. Big Germ making me sound crispy and shit. Hey, yeah, I'm highly underestimated, so educated and getting paid quick. If you ever hated, anticipate that I'm famous. Got a bunch of bitches to sip on the champagne with. Celebrate it, we see in another day. Life good, never wanna end this. Me and Mary Jane got a really nice friendship. Yeah, they give me money, but I gotta go and spend it. Man, I've been a bad little Jew, but I gotta pay the bills now, so I gotta chill out. I ain't walk around like I'm flirting with a meal now. Feel like the kid working at the mill now. Used to just chill and smoke joints up at Bill's house. Now I got a schedule, things I gotta do. Doing interviews, see it up on YouTube. I say it feels just like a dream. About to wake up from a nap, how fucked up was that like? Yeah. This shit just feels good, I'm not gonna lie. Hey, hey, hey. Just some motherfucking kids. We just some motherfucking kids. Hey, yo, Sap, what's good, bruh? This man's kinda high out here. Hey yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room, yeah, you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out here locally. Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now, I'm at my house, on the couch, watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the subject of discussion. But it's nothing when you stop and just say fuck it. Cause you walking out in public and you hear him talking rubbish. I just wanna ride through the city in a cutlass, find a big dumb shit. Take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have in A&R. We gon' win, you can take the lose or draw. What I'm in, got these hoes who used to play me in they bras. We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. Take over the world while these haters get mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have. Hop into the car and then we take them to the pad. It's the bad. And motherfuckers think they know me, but they never met the kids. Style come with excellence and money make benevolence irrelevant for the fuckers who never been intelligent. I kill my Henny, break the bottle for the hell of it. Tell a bitch that she better bring her friends, and if she want an autograph, she better bring a pen. Yeah, the party never end, this life is what I recommend. And if you gotta hope it for me, then she better be a 10. I ain't picky, but these girls be acting tricky when the situation's sticky and the liquor got them silly. But I take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have in A&R. We gon' win, you can take the lose or draw. What I'm in, got these hoes who used to play me in they bras. We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. Take over the world while these haters